Hello guys, today we're going to learn about comparison operators in Python. So for example, age equals 18. Now what this equal will do is it will tell Python to take this value 18 and put it inside the variable age. Now print and then age, two equal signs and 18. Now what these two equal signs will do is they'll tell Python that is this value equal to 18. Now it should say true because this value is 18 and it's equal to 18. And as you can see, it prints true. Now there's also exclamation mark and equal signs. What this will do is it will ask Python that is this value unequal to 18, and this should be false since our value is 80, not anything above or below 80. So this should be false. Then there's greater than or less than. So greater than, so if age is greater than 15, this should be true since age is 18 and 18 is greater than 15. And as you can see, prints true. And then there's less than. Now this should be false since our age is 18 and 18 is not less than 15. So as you can see, it prints false. Bye.